What if I told you that you could create this effect in Pixellab using just your smartphone? Knowing how to create this effect will make you a better Pixellab user, and not only that, but also a pro. So you really need to learn how to create this effect in Pixellab. I mean, now I'm going to show you how you can create this effect in Pixellab using just your smartphone. To my YouTube channel is still Vixen Tech. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can clip mask an image into a shape irrespective of the shape. I'm going to give a detailed explanation such that a 2-year-old baby will be able to understand what I'm about to explain to you guys. So guys, I'm going to show you what I've done so that you would see what we are going to do today. So I did this myself. This was the first one I did, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do this. Beautiful it looks, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve this in Pixellab. So let me close the layer. So click on your center icon, click on shapes, increase the radius, click on the good icon, then position it at the center using your relative position tool. Make sure it's at the center. Beautiful. Now click on this icon below the 3 dots, ensure you lock it. Beautiful. Now let's import the image that we are going to clip mask into the shape. This is the image, so I'm going to crop this part out. Yes, that's okay. Now bring it here. Let's reduce the image. Yes, this size is okay. This size is perfect. Now duplicate the image, delete the one behind, then place this one here. Now let's go to our max tool. This is the tool that we are going to use to achieve what we're about to do. This tool. Okay, so click on it. Don't enable it yet. Just follow me carefully. Bring this down. You can expand it. Yes, bring it down. Now bring this other one down. Make sure it's touching the edge of the shape. Please make sure it's touching the edge of the shape. It's very important. And also make sure that it's at the center. Now this other one, move it up. Leave it there for now. This other one, move it up. Okay, leave it there for now. Now the next thing we are going to do is for us to adjust all the anchor points, most especially the center one. So click on this center one, drag this down gently. Make sure that the line is touching the edge of the shape. Okay, then this other one, drag it down. Make sure it's touching the edge of the shape. Then this other one, move it upward a bit. Then drag it down again. Then this other one, you can leave it there for now. Now let's see if we have been able to clip mask this particular image into the shape. So enable it. Okay, you can see that we've clip masked it, but it is not looking good. And for us to correct that error, all you need to do is to drag this down a bit. Okay, then adjust this anchor point, then adjust this other anchor point. Then let's see what we have. Hope you've seen what I've done. Very easy. It's not difficult. So we've been able to clip mask this image into this shape seamlessly. Now the next thing I want you to do is to merge the image together with the shape. So click on this icon below, the three dots, click on this icon, mark this, then click on merge. Yes, click on OK. Beautiful. We've merged this shape and the image together. So you can now stretch it. Hope you can see what we've done. So guys, this is the first one. Now let me show you how you can achieve the second one. So let's delete this. Okay, now click on shape again, increase it. Beautiful. Put it at the center, go to relative position, make sure it's at the center. Click on this icon below the three dots, lock it. Now let's import the image of this beautiful lady. Make sure you crop this part out. It all depends on what you want to achieve. Okay, bring it here. Okay, this is okay. Now go to our max tool, bring this down, stretch it, bring it down again. Then this other one, bring it down, make sure it's at the center. Okay, now this other one, take it up, okay, then this other one, take it up. Beautiful. Now let's adjust this anchor point the way we did the other one. Adjust it. Okay, then adjust this side again. Okay, and take it up a bit. Adjust this side again. Adjust this other side again. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Then enable it. Let's see what we have. Okay, now this is what you need to do for you to correct this error. Click on this, stretch it. See, we've removed it. Then this other part, bring it down. Yes, bring it down. Then adjust this anchor point, adjust it a bit, adjust it again, okay. Then this other part, when doing this, don't rush it, just take your time so that it will look perfect and neat. If it is on Photoshop, it is much easier, but on Pixellab you have to be very accurate, and for you to be accurate you need to take your time when doing this. Don't be in a haste. Okay, so click on it. Hope you've seen what we've done. This is perfect. This is very clean. Nobody will know the software that you used to achieve this. So I want you to take your time and watch the tutorial video again and again in case you don't understand. I know it looks complex, but it is easy. It is not as difficult as you think. So please take your time and rewatch the video and you're going to get it correctly. Please, if you know that you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you so much for staying with me. See you in my next video.